forming a solution. Take 1 mark.
You know 1 mark?
In chemistry, the highest marks is 3 marks. Even in biology bonds.
No, let's just continue with the chemistry.
Talk about titration.
Very free marks. Yeah. In titration, we have back titration and forward titration. In back titration, is where you're being given, when we have our table, the pole, we have 0.0. Then we have initial in the pole.
Okay, go ahead. Just go ahead.
We have three columns. Then we have initial. Then we have final solution. Then we have observation.
The observation.
Okay. In initial, when we are titrating, for example, we have conical flask. We have.
Just imagine.
For example, during titration, when we take a conical flask and we have our pipette, we have our pipette and burette. We want to titrate. There are elements which measure accurate volume. For example, pipette measure accurate volume. If it reaches a certain mark, that one is 250 millimeter. When you are titrating, for example, a titration of potassium, we want to see the direction which potassium will react when reacting with sodium, ethanoate. We take the first titre. We take our volumetric flask. We put downside. Our burette, we hang it on the clamp and stand. We hang it very well. Then we pour the
and
you pour
is a potassium. A potassium when it reacts with what? Is it base or acid? That's going to make it to be whitish in color.
That is called vigorous reaction. Potassium is element number 19, giving a valency of 2.8.8.1. When you look at the outermost energy level, it has 1 electron. This 1 electron, when it reacted with water, it will be removed easily compared to 2, making it to react vigorously, a spontaneous reaction. Why?
Great. That's great.
Mohammed. So when at what time is it going to be to produce heat? Which element is going to produce heat?
Immediately
during reaction.
Immediately during the reaction, during the reaction of potassium with water, the more it produces the sound, the more it produces the heat. During that vigorous reaction, you will find the solution to be very warm. Endothermic reaction.
I know that.
Thank you very much.
I know that.
Thank you very much.
So, let's talk about maths now.
Was
do you know the line of best fit? How is it?
What?
The line of best fit. Very good. That one is drawn in graphs. For example, when you are being told, draw a graph of 2x plus 4y. Here we have x column and y column. We choose any value between 0, 1, and 2. When you took this 0 in this x, we'll get the value of y to be, that is 2x. So the value of y will still be 4. So we put 4. When you do our graph, we'll find our graph dot are not in one line, but a bit of them are the same. Now we say dot ingine kwa juu, ingine kwa chini, ingine kwa katikati, ingine imepita hapa. Now we assume hizi zimepita katikati. We assume the other one ni kwa juu na chini. Here katikati. Then we draw our line very well. And we read the figure. If they want the gradient, we read from the y-axis and x-axis, we read this way. Where we say gradient is equals to change in y over change in x. We look at the change in y, we give the value x, change in y, value y. Then we put our answer and we get our clean 10 marks.